The wedding industry is a billion-dollar industry, so it's no wonder that it's a huge niche on Etsy. For this reason, there are lots of Etsy shops out there selling wedding invitations to the point where it's a pretty competitive product to break into now. Of course, you can still be successful in the wedding niche as a new Etsy shop, but you have to be smart about the products you are selling. In this video, I'm sharing with you 15 products in the wedding niche that are profitable and less saturated than wedding invitations. Stick around until the end for my 2 favorite product ideas, and before we dive in, let's make a deal. If I show you a product idea you didn't think of or you've never heard of before, you have to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The first products are photo table numbers. I'm sure you've heard of table numbers before, but by adding the photo, you make a more unique product and you cut down on competition. These are really easy to make, and I like that I'm seeing some newer shops on the first page of search results. So this shop only has 33 reviews. Let's see how much they've made on this. So about $400 with this one listing, pretty good. The next idea are wedding table games or wedding reception games. There are a lot of different ways you can go with this one. So wedding I Spies, conversation starters for the table, photo scavenger hunts. If you are interested in selling wedding games, I do have a done for you wedding game bundle. You can get it over at zaneplr.com. It has some of the most popular wedding games in it, and you can get 20% off your order with code YouTube20. Or if you want instant access to my PLR wedding games and all the rest of my PLR products, you can join my first class PLR membership. I'll have the link for this if you want to check it out in the description. This next product idea I had never heard of before doing the research for this video. They are wedding record labels. They look pretty simple to make and they're not too competitive. And then you would just share the Canva template link with customers so they can customize it for their wedding. This next product idea is more time intensive to make, but there are a lot of bestsellers, so you know it's high demand. They are wedding day of binders or wedding day of planners. You can market these towards brides, like DIY brides, or towards event planners. And honestly, a lot of them are like 100 pages or even longer, so maybe try to find some PLR products like this that can help you make it faster. The next idea are these bridesmaid information cards. They give the bridal party all the important details, and these look really easy to make in Canva. If I were selling these, I probably would do a bundle of a bridesmaid and a groomsman information card. Moving right along, we have officiant proposal cards. These are so easy to make. Definitely worth trying to sell in your shop and see if it takes off for you. Let's check out this listing to see if it's making any sales. It's only 56 days old, so less than 2 months, and it's already made 25 sales. So I think that's a pretty good indication that there is some demand for this product. Next up, we have marriage milestone wine bottle tags, and I think this is such a great product idea. It's really not too competitive at all. Alura is showing that it only has about 5,000 search results. Basically, this is a wedding gift, and you would buy multiple bottles of wine and put a tag on each one of the bottles for the newlyweds. Next are these thank you cards with photos, so it's kind of similar to the table numbers. Adding photos lessens the competition and makes the product more unique, and people on Etsy often like to be able to customize and put photos onto products, so this is another great idea. The next idea are these wedding newspaper program templates. I think this product is super cute and it's not overly saturated. I would look over these listings and see what elements you want to put in your own newspaper. Like, do you want it to have the wedding day timeline, the word search, or a crossword puzzle, and make your own unique newspaper. Next up are song request signs and cards. Another really easy to make product, so you might as well try it to see if it sells for you. I would make a couple of versions with the different wordings, like one might just say song request, another I promise to dance if you play, and so on. Bonus points if you make the cover page customizable. The next product is wedding adjacent. When you think wedding niche, you don't have to just stick to weddings. You can also do bachelorette parties or rehearsal dinners or bridal showers, so do keep that in mind. This particular product is a bachelorette itinerary. You can do these either as printables or as digital ones, and there's a lot of bestsellers, so this is definitely in high demand. This next product idea is also wedding adjacent. It's for rehearsal dinners. They are favor tags, so take a shot. We're tying the knot. I thought it was a super cute idea and another really simple, easy to make product. We're moving on to my last 2 and favorite product ideas. I am a dog person. I love my dog probably more than anything in this whole world, so I know I would have products like this at my own wedding. This first product is a dog bar sign, so you can name your signature drinks after your dog and just have your photos to make them a little part of your special day. And the second doggy idea are these dog favor signs or these biscuit bar signs. People can take home a doggy treat for their pup. I hope you found these product ideas helpful and they got your creative juices flowing. Comment below any of these product ideas that you're going to try out in your shop. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will talk to you next time.